Hey guys, we're doing the random for Upper Deck Supreme Hardcore Box 1, 7:29:47 p.m. Melbourne time. I'm going to be late for Noah. Random is live. Participants, thanks guys for the quick fill. 4 just shows that we need to be bringing in more of this, which I'll be ordering more on Monday. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yoink. That one. Players. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. Okay. Random is complete, and here are the list. Stashman, Iverson, Andrew Cock, Penny Hardaway, Eugene, George Gervin, Albie, Alonzo, come on, fix up. There we go. Albie, Alonzo Mourning, Joseph Wykes, Levine, Andrew Hunt, Clyde Drexler, Hamish Campbell, Hakeem Olajuwon, Jay Quartermain, Towns, Martin Hatch, Magic Johnson, Allen, Wiggins, Nick Powell, Curry, Albie Chin, LeBron, Van Houten, Thon Maker, Albie Chin, Larry Bird, Jared Craig, Dr. J, and Dennis Rodman, Simon Barr, Chris Stubbs, Kiwi, Fultz, Van Houten, West, Eugene, Vince Carter, Nick Powell, Ben Simmons, Sean Coote, Michael Jordan, Nick Powell, Jamal Murray, Van Houten, Elgin Baylor, Andrew Hunt, Dirk, Andrew Hunt, Kevin Love, and Quartermain with Cousins.